hello and welcome back. In the last class we talked about basic mathematical operations within the spreadsheet in LibreOffice, and in this class we are going to talk about a bit further of the basics that we've talked about in the last class, which is how to calculate mean, median and mode, more or less like our basics in statistics. Okay, so we have the mean, median and mode like we have explained, and as usual, to calculate or to compute anything, you have to go to the cell where you want to compute the answer. Let's say we want to take the mean, median and mode of all of these numbers. We can just go ahead and say equal to, usually mean is the average. Okay, so we can say is equal to average. Okay, open the bracket. This returns the average. Okay, so let's say of all of these numbers, so we define all of them, and then we'll close the bracket and hit on enter. This is our mean. Okay, the median usually is the middle number, so we can say it's equal to median. Okay, and open the bracket of all of this number, which one is the median, and then we hit on enter. It returns 43, this one. And then we have the mode. The mode also, we can say the number with the highest frequency, you can say equal to mode. All right, so we open the bracket and then we can select everything up to here preferably, or we can say up to this point because we have some numbers. So this is the number with the highest frequency, which is 2. Okay, so the next one is standard deviation. You can find standard deviation as well if you want to add standard deviation. All right, so we can say it's equal to standard deviation, or we can use the function from here. We can say it's equal to, we can select the cell and say it's equal to, you can click here and you can see the different functions that we can deal with. So let's say standard deviation, this is the command. Let's say we select this and then we can define the number. Okay, standard deviation, let's say of all of these. Okay, so once you hit on enter, this returns the standard deviation of all of these that we've talked about. So ladies and gentlemen, I think this concludes this class about adding computing mean, mode, median and standard deviation within our spreadsheet in LibreOffice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. So you can go ahead and try any other formula or any other function that you want to calculate over here. It's very easy and you just have to explore it and see for yourself. So thank you and see you around.